Understanding body language is like decoding a secret language that often says more than words ever could. Today, we're diving into 3 hidden gestures that many people miss, signs that she might secretly be attracted to you. These subtle cues are backed by psychology and observed across cultures. So, let's break it down. The first gesture is mirroring. This happens when someone subconsciously copies your movements, posture, or speech style. Imagine you're sitting with your legs crossed and moments later she does the same. Or you lean in and she leans in too. This isn't a coincidence. It's a psychological sign of comfort and connection. Mirroring behavior is one of the clearest unconscious signs of attraction. The reason this happens is rooted in our brain's mirror neurons. When we feel emotionally aligned with someone, our brain tries to reflect them as a way of building rapport and empathy. The second hidden sign is subtle preening. Preening refers to those small, self-grooming movements like touching her hair, adjusting her clothes, or checking her reflection. But here's the catch. We're not talking about dramatic movements. We're talking about subtle, frequent adjustments. She may tuck her hair behind her ear repeatedly, straighten her necklace, or adjust her sleeves. These are instinctive behaviors often done to appear more appealing, especially when someone is subconsciously trying to attract another person. If you notice her doing this only when she's around you, take note. The third gesture is prolonged eye contact with a soft smile. Eye contact can communicate many things: dominance, honesty, or even discomfort. But when combined with a soft, gentle smile and maybe a quick look away with a blush, it can be a powerful signal of attraction. Pay attention to how often she makes eye contact, how long it lasts, and what her facial expressions do during that gaze. If her eyes seem to light up when she sees you or she maintains eye contact longer than with others, she might be more into you than you think. But here's something important to understand. Context matters. These signs don't automatically mean someone is romantically interested. She could just be polite, friendly, or nervous. So, look for patterns. If you notice 2 or 3 of these gestures happening together and consistently in your presence, it might not be just your imagination. Besides these 3, there are bonus clues too, like standing or sitting close to you when there's plenty of space elsewhere, or giving you attention even in a group setting. People reveal their feelings through micro-expressions and body shifts that their conscious mind can't control. One amazing thing about body language is that it's universal to a large extent. Across different cultures, subtle physical cues often share common meanings. For example, smiling and leaning in when talking is globally seen as a sign of interest. So why does this matter? Understanding body language can help us build stronger relationships, communicate better, and avoid misreading situations. It gives us a peek behind the mask into what someone is truly feeling, even if they never say it aloud. Still, always remember, consent and clear communication are key. If you think someone is attracted to you, that's a starting point, not a green light. Respect boundaries and never assume anything without direct communication. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. First, mirroring your actions. Second, subtle grooming or preening. And third, prolonged eye contact with a soft smile. Each of these can indicate attraction, but they need to be interpreted in context. So, the next time you're in a conversation, pay closer attention. You might just pick up on the hidden signals you never noticed before. That's the beauty of decoding human behavior. It turns everyday interactions into fascinating insights. If you enjoyed this exploration of human body language and attraction signals, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights. We've got more psychology, science, and life hacks coming your way every week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.